everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To add your Myki card to Apple Wallet, follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility and ensure that your iPhone is compatible with Apple Wallet and it supports contactless payments. Step 2. Download the official app if applicable. If your transportation system provides an official app for managing your Myki card, download and install it from the App Store. Step 3. Add Myki card to Apple Wallet. Open the official Myki app or go to the Myki website on your iPhone's browser. Look for the option related to mobile or digital Myki cards. This might be labeled as Add to Apple Wallet or something similar. Further, tap on the Add to Apple Wallet option and your iPhone will prompt you to confirm the action. Confirm the addition of your Myki card to Apple Wallet and follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the process. You might need to enter some verification details or authenticate the process using your Apple ID or biometric authentication, such as Face ID or Touch ID. Once the process is complete, your Myki card should be added to Apple Wallet. So, this is how you can add Myki card to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.